Hey guys, welcome to Quick Tips. In this video, we'll be taking a look at how to do the glitch transition like you saw at the beginning of this video. First of all, go to the link in the description and download the glitch effect zip file and then extract it. Inside, you will find a 1-second glitch clip and a longer one. For this video, I'll be using the 1-second clip. Next, import the glitch clip and your project in Premiere Pro. Drag the clip on the timeline and cut it out according to your needs. Then place it on top of the clips between which you want the glitch transition. Then select the clip and go to Effects on top. Then under Opacity, set the blending mode to Screen. After this, you can just copy this glitch effect to anywhere you want in your project. Hope you guys found this video helpful. If you did, give this video a like and subscribe to this channel for more super short and quick tutorials like these. And also hit that notification bell to never miss an update. I'll see you guys next time.